recent backhoe loader that we launched is 15% more fuel efficient. We know what's going on in the Middle East, how much of the burden that fuel cost is putting on the Indian economy. And that's why I say that every hour that you use JCB machine, it is putting money in your pocket. So my request to the dealer partner, our customer partners, is to really look at JCB from that particular angle. I take this opportunity once again to thank the Kakulo family, because they are not joined with us from the business point of view. I think they are joined with us from the heart. And dealers like Manoj and Suraj Kakulo are the strength of JCB. I always tell people that we have got 28 competitors in India. Last month, if 100 machines were sold in India, backhoe loaders, 84 were JCB. And overall, if 100 machines were sold in India, 54 of them are JCB. And for that, I want to, मैं तहे दिल से हमारे सभी कस्टमर्स का मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ कि आपका जो ये पिछले 4 दशक से ज़्यादा आपका जो विश्वास है JCB में, और हमारे जो डीलर पार्टनर्स हैं उनका जो सपोर्ट है, उसके कारण JCB इस जगह पे है. So once again on this special day, I want to congratulate everybody, and I also want to thank all of you for joining us today for this event. And also this facility represents the quality that JCB has not only on the machine, but also the quality of the support, the service that you will receive once you have bought the machine. And I'll end by thanking the Honorable Chief Minister for spending time with us and motivating us, and we will continue to work closely to support the both employment and infrastructure development in Goa. Thank you very much. And we are not only about manufacturing machines, but we are also making some social changes. There are some ladies here I want to mention that our Jaipur facility has 34% women on the shop floor. And when we thought about investing in one more facility, again, we got this vision from the Honorable Prime Minister. We invested in our new export facility in Vadodara, Gujarat. And I'm very pleased to mention, we have got 52% women working on the shop floor there. It's a great example. And I know the Honorable Chief Minister's vision is to create employment. We can only create employment if we grow across the diversity barriers so that we involve more. I also want to mention here, every JCB machine creates 6 jobs.